Alright guys, here's the maiden flight of the Flying Pig, the A31 Tomzon. So in the description below, you'll find the links to the best prices that I found in the internet. So, alright, let's get to the video. Let's rock and roll and show you how this little sucker flies. This is a cute little booger, man. This is really pretty cute. Wow. So you see the LEDs are built in right to the motors. Got a little camera up here. It's got the battery here. Optical flow camera here. Brushless motors. Tiny little things. They're so cute. It's like 2-inch props. If that. Yeah, no, that's 2-inch props. Tiny little controller. Needs AAA batteries. Now where LEDs are blue. Yeah, the Flying Pig. The A31 from Tomzon. Its instructions say turn the aircraft on first. Okay, let's turn on the aircraft. Turn on the controller. Good. When the light goes solid, it means that it's ready to go, and then we have to, oh gosh, the little manual said that we have to calibrate. Both sticks go inwards. Inward, here we go. Good. Now, to unlock aircraft, you turn both sticks this way. Look at that. Alright, let's fly it. Come back here, come back here. The wind's got a hold of it. Man, this thing's cute. See that, guys? It's so cute. Now, you're going to have to really fly this thing because it's not a GPS drone or anything. Bring it over this way. Gonna come right at me. Let go of the stick. This thing's so cute. Look at that thing. Super fun. Come back here, come back here. Okay, turn it off. Just in time. Come back here, come back here. You can't go over there. All right, let's do that little flip. Let's get it to flip. Let me see if I remember what to do. You gotta push the right stick, I think. Press and hold the right control stick down. Okay. All right, let's get it. I think it's out of batteries already. Oh no. Yeah, it's out of batteries. All right, let me run in and get the second battery. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got the second battery. Good thing this thing comes with 2 batteries. Pretty easy to install. Got it upside down, I believe. Yeah. So the battery just slides in like so, and to release it, you just push the tab and it comes right out. Looks like a 1-cell battery in here. It could be a 2-cell, but it's hard to tell under this. Let me see what it says. How many volts? Yeah, it's a 1-cell. It's a 3.8 volt, 710 mAh for milliamp hours. So yeah. So let's get it up in the air again. All right. Turn on the drone. I'm gonna move this back a little bit this time. Probably should just put it right on top of this thing. Yeah, let's just do that. Turn on the drone. 1, 2, 3. There it is. So it's the flying pig, guys. So calibrate it. Oh crap, here we go. There it is. I'm gonna push the right stick down and it's gonna do a flip. There it is. It did a flip, just right. That's a cool color in that thing. All right, flip again. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Let's see if we can get it to do a flip again. Oh man, it did a roll. Okay, that's pretty cool. One more. Push a button. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Here we go. Okay, it looks like the battery's sagging when I full blast it. So let me just take it easy and fly it slow. Yeah, this thing looks like it could be a lot of fun. Ah, get up. Coming right at us. You come back here. Battery sagging. Come on, you can do it. Land. I gotta get it to land. Oh man. Okay, so this is the landing button right here, guys. So you know. There we go. Land it. Right there. Not bad. All right, let's take it off again. All right, landing. Oh, what a fun little toy, man. All right, let's do the flip. I don't think the camera caught that one. Let's try it again. All right. All right, let's see if I can get it to stand still long enough. Ah, pretty good. Let's do a barrel roll. Wow, pretty good. All right, adjust the camera. Pretty cool. Wow. Well, pretty good battery life on this one. So this battery must backflip. Oh, wow. You see that? That was pretty good. Let's do one more. Back it up. Here we go. There we go. One last one. Front flip. All right, last one. Land it. There it is. Pretty cool little... That thing's so much fun. Yeah, this is a cute little booger, man. This is really pretty cute. Wow. So you see the LEDs are built in right to the motors. Got a little camera up here. It's got the battery here. Optical flow camera here. Brushless motors. Tiny little things. They're so cute. It's like 2-inch props. If that. Yeah, no, that's 2-inch props. Tiny little controller. Needs AAA batteries. Now where LEDs are blue. Yeah, the Flying Pig. The A31 from Tomzon. Cute, cute, cute. Wow. That was pretty fun. pretty fun. All right, so I was saying earlier, this is the Tomzon A31 Flying Pig. I call it Pig Face, but yeah, A31. And it has a tiny little controller with 3 AAA batteries here. You see that right there? 3 AAA batteries. And yeah, and it's got this one cell 750 milliamp hour 3.8 lithium battery right here. Nice little setup. Weighs nothing. It's got the prop guards, it's got the brush motors, and it's got these LEDs sitting on top of the motors. And it is a cute, cute, cute little setup. Wow. Yeah, super fun. So it looks like you can do the little tuning here, which I neglected to do, but yeah. So, initial thoughts about this guy? Man, this is kind of fun to play with because of the LEDs and the controller. And it's got automatic takeoff and return. So, fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.